Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about RISE Protocol or RIPR shortcut. Already have 11% in profits and 30 minutes ago listed on CoinGecko. So we cannot talk quite much now about this project, but you can see this project is longer than just 30 minutes on the blockchain. So step inside with me into the project. Let's see what they offer us. For sure this token is on Binance Smart Chain and you can buy this token on PancakeSwap version 2. People already have done it, and we have here transaction volume over 127,000 the last 24 hours. Let's step into it. RISE2PROTOCOL.com. Here's the contract. You can also copy paste here on CoinGecko for sure. Let's have a look what they offer us. RISE Protocol is a token directly linked to DeFi. RISE2 Protocol is a RISE rewards token celebrating the EVERRISE Ecosystem. RISE2 Protocol allows you to receive RISE directly in your wallet without doing anything. Receive 6% RISE rewards on each transaction. RISE2 Protocol Team are also working on an NFT collection. Everyone knows that 2022 is going to be the year of EverRise in cryptocurrency. Taxes: 6% RISE rewards to holders on each transaction, 6% for marketing wallet. Guys, 6% is good. I see a lot of guys who make just 2% or 4%. 6% is okay. I would say you need a lot of more, but just start this project and see where you are going. 3% to liquidity pool. And for sure they have a Telegram group. We will look into that in a couple of minutes. Audit contract. You can find this also. And RISE2 Protocol is a community-based token developed by RISE2 Protocol Team. The RISE2 Protocol is a fully decentralized BEP20 token on Binance Smart Chain that rewards investors with every transaction while at the same time pays into liquidity. Staking platform, NFT platform. This is what they want to do. Our ambitions: listing EverOwn. EverOwn empowers developers to build trust within their community while increasing the project's longevity by locking the contract and liquidity and allowing it to be unlocked through community voting when developers need to make changes on the contract, fix issues, or apply or exchange. So that's nice if you have always a third party who looks a little bit over your shoulders. Example of our NFTs. Right now I cannot see anyone. Please share it with us, guys. Tokenomics. Total supply, we have a 10 million of tokens, 15% transaction fees, and the taxes again. The roadmap: phase 1, 2, 3. We are now in phase 3. Listing CoinGecko already done, guys. NFT marketplace will be the next. And 50 NFTs collection. So maybe we will have here some nice unique NFTs from RISE2 Protocol. The videos about RISE. If I look, I'm not sure this is RISE or not. PIPR. The first RISE. Let me know, guys, what you think about RISE2 Protocol. Sniper DeFi. As the name suggests, Sniper DeFi are known for unearthing the best BSC cryptocurrencies. Therefore, being in partnership with them is a real guarantee of confidence for investors. Detective tokens. What is that? Long-time friend, project analyzer, anti-scam. Okay. If you want to join us, here's our Telegram. We will do it, guys. Let's step into the Telegram group. Useful links for sure. KuCoin chart, we will look also on it. They have a white paper, guys. 10 sites just. It's not much. If you want to read it, do it. I don't want to bore you with that details right now. But again, everything what they write on their website in details. Twitter account they have with 3,600 followers right now, and the members of 2,100 in the Telegram group. 372 right now online. So guys, if you have some questions, just join their Telegram group, ask them, and maybe let us know here in the community what kind of questions you have about this token. Maybe some of these guys can help you out here on the YouTube platform. Let's use it as a community. RISE2PROTOCOL chart. Just copy paste the address of the token here, and you have always the actual price of this token. I have now a 1-day candle. That means every candle here represents 1 day. So you can see this token were already on the blockchain 22nd October, and is with all these ups and downs, people still gaining profits, right? Okay, I understand if you go here in and you are now here, you lost, right? So, but if you are from the beginning inside this project, you didn't lost anything. You just make double your gains or triple your gains. So this is a nice project, I think, for token which you want to go not all in, right? I tell you this, guys, every time, don't throw all your money inside. Just test it out. They are just at the beginning right now. They have followers. They have a good Telegram group. And why not, guys? Try it out. Tell me your experience about RISE2PROTOCOL. And let me know what you think down into the comments, what you think about this project. But please, don't only write scam. If you write scam, please write also why it is a scam. And if you like this video, leave me a like. It will help a lot to go forward. And for sure, subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, guys, I wish you all the best profits, and see you later, alligator. Bye.